Hello everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial. In today's video, let's learn how to create account on Steam. First of all, go to the Steam website or application and there you have to tap on create your account, and here you have to provide your email address. Again, confirm your email address, then tap on I'm not robot and you have to enable this option and tap on continue. So they'll send you a Gmail. So go to the Gmail and check for its verification code. And here tap on this verification email. Now you have to go back to the Steam account and here you can create your account. So here you can give your account name so it's available and give a password. Again, confirm your password and tap on done. So this will create a account on Steam and you will be able to log in by providing this account to the Steam. I hope this video is helpful to you guys. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.